have on Euphoralite. All right. And I'll read what it's about real quick. I have on Euphoralite. I did some healing work prior to this. So I like wearing my onks when I do my healing work. And I also do healing work with the onks and the other natural stones, whatever calls me for whomever I'm working with. I use that particular stone. So anyway, Euphoralite allows for lucid communication with one's true higher self. It is an excellent stone for communication, vision, intellect, enlightenment, and well-being. Euphoralite is a specimen that includes many different crystals and minerals, and it is such a pretty piece. This piece was crafted by a gentleman who has a shop on Instagram, and you can look up hashtag prosperous network. I have it in the description box if you're looking on YouTube right now. He also goes by Total U, the letter U, Total space the letter U, or Prosperous Network, no spaces. All right.